Let us solve one more problem from GATE Physics. The problem states that a particle is subjected to a potential which is given by Vx infinity for x less than equal to 0 and V0 for x in between a to b and 0 elsewhere. Here a greater than 0 and b greater than a. If the energy of the particle E is less than V0, which of the one of the following schematics is valid quantum mechanical wave function phi for the system? Right, we need to find which plot or the which graph is correct for our given statement. So here the potential here the potential, you know, it is given as Vx. It is Vx equal to infinity for x less than equal to 0 is equal to V0 for x is in between a and b and 0 elsewhere. Right, with it is given with a greater than 0 and b greater than a. Right, the particle energy E is less than V0. We are to determine which of the following wave function of a to b is correct. So we will understand the potential. So we divide it into the four region. In region 1 we can see if x less than equal to 0 in infinite potential wave function, it is phi x equal to 0. Right, in the region 2 we have region 2 we have 0 x a. So it's a free region, that is Vx we can write equal to 0. So the wave function is oscillatory. So the wave function here is oscillatory. Next, in the region 3 we have a x greater than b. We have Vx equal to V0 which is greater than E. So it is a classically forbidden region. Wave function is exponentially decaying. For this it is a classically classically forbidden region where the wave function decays exponentially. Right, and for region 4 we have if x greater than b, we again have Vx equal to 0. So this implies a free region. Again the wave function is oscillatory. Free region and the wave function is oscillatory. Wave function is oscillatory. Right, however, since E less than V0, the wave function cannot oscillate inside the barrier of A, means x in between A and B, but rather decay exponentially in that region. Also because V tends to infinity at x less than equal to 0, the wave function must vanish at x equal to 0. So as per from the given option, it is clear that the option the option B in the correct in the given option is correct, because it obeys our theoretical considerations, right? So hope the solution as well as problem is clear. So thank you